Hello guys, welcome back to Whiteways Music. In this video I am going to share my experience with iMusician distribution. If you don't know how to release, I also provided release tutorial. Please watch till the end to know pros and cons of iMusician distribution. Their pricing is cheap and you only need to pay one-time fee per release. There is no yearly or monthly renewal fee. iMusician also provides YouTube monetization and a professional mastering service. As I said, they provide their service in cheap rates, so let me show you their pricing. They provide digital music distribution and Content ID separately, so if you need Content ID, just pay for Content ID. As you can see, if you choose Starter Pack, you need to pay $2, and they take 30% from your earning. Also, they only distribute to one store. I will recommend you to choose Regular Pack if you are a single artist. Just for $5 they distribute your music to 200 plus stores, and they will just take 15% from your earning. Or if you are a label, Rockstar Pack is best for you. They will pay 100% earning to you. That's their pricing for digital music distribution. Now let me show you how cheap is their YouTube Content ID. You can easily see how cheap is their pricing for YouTube Content ID. I always choose their Rockstar Pack for my release, as they pay 100% earning of yours. Now let me tell you what's really good in iMusician. You know, they don't have payment threshold. It means you can withdraw your earning, even if you earn $1. That is what any artist with low income want from their distribution service, zero payment threshold. Wait, let me log in to show you a quick tutorial on setting up your release with iMusician. I logged in and now we are on iMusician dashboard. Now to release your music, click on Tracks. Then click on Create New Track. Here you have to fill your music metadata, same as you fill on other distribution services. First upload your audio. Now give a title to your music. As you can see, many genre not listed, so if your genre not listed here, just click Other. Recording copyright here is already set by default. You know what to fill, but if not, then fill your artist name or music owner name that granted you rights to release their music. Write your artist name and click Create New Artist to add yourself. If your music is instrumental, then must select the checkbox. They have option for cover song distribution, but you need to get license from Easy Zone Licensing. If you release cover song without license, you will get sued by the law. As you filled your music metadata, click Save and Close. Now select your track. You will see three options. Select what you want to do with your music. Let's release it to streaming platform first, then we go to Content ID. In release detail, fill what you filled in track metadata if you are releasing a single. And if you are releasing an album, fill your album details, not music metadata. If you want a custom label name, then you have to pay for it, and if not, then iMusician will add IMD before your label name. Fill your own catalog name as you want. As you fill details, click Next and select your tracks. Then select the pricing and check out your release. Now let's move on YouTube Content ID. If you've already filled your music metadata, then just select your track, and click Next, and proceed to check out your music. That's it. Let me know in comments, do you like iMusician pricing, and their zero payout threshold? Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and subscribe to Whiteways Music.